Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell concert tickets on SeatGeek. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to sell concert tickets on SeatGeek, the first step is to sign in to SeatGeek. Simply head over and open up your SeatGeek application or open up SeatGeek.com on your browser and sign in using the same email used to buy the tickets. Then next is to open up the tickets by simply tapping on the tickets option on the bottom. And here, select the concert and then choose the ticket you want to sell. Note that ticket must be mobile or electronic and transferable. Then next is to tap on select ticket, tap on sell, and then once you tap on sale, what you need to do now is select sell tickets and SeatGeek will suggest a price. You can now accept the suggested price or set your own price, and note that price slightly before similar listings to sell faster. The next step is to set up payout by entering your bank account or PayPal info, then confirm your payout details, which is required before listing goes live. The next is to list your tickets. Simply review all the details of the tickets, and once done, simply tap on list tickets and your concert tickets are now listed on SeatGeek. When do you get paid? SeatGeek pays 1 to 3 business days after the concert. Payment goes to your select payout method. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like, feedback, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.